So in today's new video I'm going to be showcasing the Kiddions mod menu, which is a free mod menu for all you guys. So first of all, before we get into that, make sure you drop a like, subscribe and comment down below for more videos like this. So first of all, obviously what you want to go and do is download it. So once you've downloaded it, you are ready to use this mod menu. So all you got to do, first of all, I'm going to actually show you. So I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to graphics, and then I'm going to change it to windowed borderless, so the mod menu can appear on the screen rather than me needing to tab in and out, so it's easier for me to showcase this mod menu for you guys. So hopefully you're all okay with the fact that I have stretch resolution on. However, it might not show on the recording, but anyway. So first of all, what you want to do is, if you have 100% keyboard, you're fine. If not, you have to get the on-screen keyboard up for this to work. So for me it looks like this, and you're going to control it by pressing 2 to go down, 8 to go up, 4 to go left, 6 to go right. So first of all I'm going to be showcasing what the game option is. So you can leave online, go to creator, choose character, online session or quick game. So pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, and then so then you've also got player. You can go God mode, so obviously it'll never die. So I'm going to show you. Before starting the video, and because many of you are asking me where to buy good mod menus from GTA 5, I bring you to the solution. Crispy Mods is the best mod menu store for GTA 5. They have a great variety of mod menus like 2 Take 1 or Stand. Likewise, they have 24/7 support in 15 or more languages to help with any problem you may have. They assist you during the whole process of installation and purchase of the mod menu. And also, they have many positive reviews about their service. The best of all, they have a great variety of 100% secure payment methods such as PayPal, credit cards and debit cards, cryptocurrencies and many more. I personally recommend Crispy Mods to get your mod menus. They have mod menus from very low prices and for all kinds of budgets. You will receive everything instantly once you make your payment. Remember that with a paid mod menu, you can do whatever you want in GTA 5, from giving you money to trolling the whole session. Use the coupon Trexie for an additional discount by putting a sticky bomb down, shooting it, and I will not die. As proven there. This mod menu is pretty undetectable too, so it's also a good thing for you guys to have. If you're wondering why my character's moving, because I'm pressing the mouse, so yeah. You can also have aqua lungs activated by pressing 5. That's how you activate it also. So if you have this, it's pretty self-explanatory once again. So you'll pretty much just never, well, you'll never die because you can breathe underwater for a long amount of time. And then you've also got the option of waterproof. So yeah, night vision. Turn that on. Obviously you can see what it looks like. I'm going to turn that off though. Thermal vision. Wow, I've never even used this mode, but yeah, you can see everything. Blackout. Not sure what that does, but yeah. Gamepad assisted aim, so you obviously get assisted aim from this. Mobile radio, health boost, heal player, suicide, no gravity. So if I jumped now, well, there'd be no gravity. So anyway. No ragdoll. Seatbelt if you're in the car. Everyone ignore. Cops ignore. So if I did blow up all these cars and I clicked 5 on this, it was ticked, nothing would happen. You can set your wanted level. So if I press 6, 6, 6, 6, so that's 6 is to move it right, obviously. Then if I press 5, now I've got 5-star. But obviously I don't want that now, so I'm going to change it back to 0. If you guys are looking to purchase the mod menu in this video for Grand Theft Auto 5, you can check out Radiant Cheats. Radiant Cheats is the biggest Grand Theft Auto 5 reseller with over 70,000 orders and over 650 reviews on Trustpilot. They offer a wide variety of mod menus including Midnight, and you can check this out in the description below. If you sign up for this website using my sponsor ID, you'll get 10% off your first order. Never wanted, that's always a good thing to have on. I'm going to have that for now. freeze wanted level, so it'll never be so it'll not affect you, or it'll not change, whatever. And then you've also got run speed, so you can alter that. So let's just double my running speed and press 5 after. So obviously, as you can see, I'm moving a lot faster as you would normally. I'm going to put that back to 1 for now though. So so I have swim speed, so that's just the same in water, you just move faster. Super jump, so I'm going to jump now, I'm going to go really high. Yeah, there you are. Undead off radar, whatnot. So that's just 1. So if you want to go backwards, you've got to press 0. Next up, we've got the vehicle one. You can mess with the handling. Obviously, I'm not in a car, so I can't press it. I'm going to leave it on screen for a couple of seconds. You can read through that if you want to. Anyway, so I don't mean to punch the bus. Anyway, model features you can change if it's jumping, parachute, ramp, rocket boost, whatnot. Extra flags, so you can just do that also. Customization, you can customize the car completely. You don't have to pay for it, so it's also a good thing, I guess. Oh, I'm going so far away from where I want to be, so I need to try and stay in the casino. As you'll see in a minute, make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you how to get money from this mod menu. So I'm going to just quickly go through this. So waterproof, god mode, well that's the car god mode, heal vehicle, boost auto recharge, infinite boost, freeze vehicle ammo, acceleration, gravity, it's pretty self-explanatory, all of these. And level vehicle, that's a pretty sick one. So now we're going to go to weapon. So I can max all my ammo out. So if I open my wheel all maxed, so that's pretty good to save my money. Freeze all ammo, infinite ammo, which is a good. Infinite clip, so you're going to be able to kill your friends easily if you're on this and not pay for the menu, which is always a good thing, I guess. And then I'm just going to go through these long range bullets in batch, aim FOV, so you're going to have a wider one if you go up, I guess. And yeah, there's more stuff like that. Now we're going to go to world. So you can set the weather, such as extra sunny, clear, as you can see it's changing now, clouds, smog, foggy, overcast, rain, thunder, neutral. So we're going to keep it neutral. Upgrade money pickups, cop killer, kill attackers, kill enemies, kill all mission NPCs, kill all NPCs. So now all of them are gone. I've clicked 5. Remove CCTVs, kill all mission vehicle, kill all cars, blah 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 blah. End cutscene, that's always a good thing if you're on a mission or whatever. So yeah. Teleport, so I can teleport to my waypoint if I mark something. For example, I know you can't really see, but I'm just going to mark the casino. And then I'm going to go up to waypoint, click on that, and I should be teleported. Well, I think the only reason it's not teleporting is because it's like inside, but yeah. Anyway, next objective, vehicle, any pickup, custom location. So obviously you can customize it, personal. But the favourite thing for me, I'm going to go to the casino, and yeah, there you are, it's making me go in the casino now. We're going to click casino because I'm going to have to show you this money glitch. It's my favourite money glitch out of anything, to be honest. So you're going to make sure you want to stay to the end for that. So quickly, make sure you drop a like, subscribe and comment down below before we get more into the video. So make sure you do that quickly. Anyway, so now we go to players. You can teleport to myself, there's no one else in the lobby, so yeah. So self-explanatory in it, you can just teleport anywhere you want on the map. Tunables, you can just change everything you want here. You can quickly read. This is also another way how to get money, I guess, because you can remove all of the stuff and override whatnot. Unlocks. This means you can literally unlock everything you like in the game. So obviously, that's a good thing if you want all of the OG things and whatnot. Story mode, I'm not going to click on that because I'm not in story mode, but I'm just going to show like what you can do if anyone wants to do that. But online players, obviously I'm the only one in the lobby, so I'm not going to do anything to myself, but you can do teleport, scripts, and then drop all the stuff and whatnot. Obviously this is a free menu, so there's not many options, but obviously if you get a paid mod menu from the sponsor that I have previously shown in this video, you can go to the description, sign up, whatnot, and get a paid mod menu, even though it might be pretty expensive. It's for lifetime and you get infinite money. I've got showcases on that, so make sure to check that out also. Back to this video though. Online services, bunker settings, casino services. So the bunker, this is a money making method. I'm not going to show you this. However, I'll show you the casino one quickly in this video. So let's say get lucky wheel prize. So I'm not even going to have to spin the wheel. I can just press mystery prize 5 and there you are. I just won the mystery prize and 1k chips. So that's pretty sick. And I can get rig slot machines also. The rig slot machines is the best thing to get money by far on this game. I'm sorry if the on-screen keyboard's annoying you. It's just easier for me to have it on the screen, but I can take it off for now just to show you exactly what to do on this. So I'm on controller, so I'm going to press max, which is button Y, and then spin once. And seeing I've rigged the slot machines, I will get all diamonds. So there you are. I've just won 2.5 mil in literally a second. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to put the keyboard back on the screen now. But I'm going to put it up here. So if I press 2 and 5 to lose the slot machine purposely, so obviously I'm going to lose now. I'm going to lose. So now I'm going to make sure to rig it again. I'm going to make sure to rig it now. So obviously I'm going to win. So if you constantly do this, bet max, spin, if you and then you're going to win 2.5 mil. However, you're going to have to win and then lose, win then lose, win then lose. Because if you win twice in a row, it will kick you off it'll kick you off the slot machine, as I'll show you here, and it won't let you carry on doing this glitch. So obviously this is a pretty good thing to have in a free mod menu, because I've just made like 7.5 mil in the past 2 minutes for doing nothing. So obviously now what you would do if you were in my game, or if you were my character, is go cash out. However, I'm going to go carry on with the showcase. So I'm going to go in a quieter place here. So now I'm going to carry on showing what there is. So I'm going to go back off this. MC settings in the nightclub. You can change it without the cooldown, stuff like that. You can also set your RP level. As you can see, I'm level 8k, so I'm not going to have to optimize that. However, if I would suggest if you do this, do it 100 at a time or like 50 at a time, because it takes a while to change and it might end up bugging your game or kicking you out or not working. So yeah. And then big map, bribe authorities, turn blind eye, enable Securus serve MC. You can do all these different things on this. It's pretty cool. Reveal players, passive mode, mute phone calls. You can call airstrikes. All these things completely free. Empty session, so if you want a public session on your own, you can do that. Online vehicle spawn. So I could just do any of that. If I could spawn anything I'd like. Bulletproof tires, limo, smoke. Self-explanatory stuff. And then disable like this. I'm going to click on the online protection, and there's different things here, like remove alter, wanted level, remove control, remove ragdoll, remove sound. If people have done stuff to you, if they've got mod menu also, for example. And you can also do obviously many different things with this. So it's very good for a free mod menu, and obviously this is a showcase of how to get money and how to work the mod menu for people who don't know how. So you can also download scripts. However, if you want to see that video, comment down below and I'll make a video of how to download scripts for this, because then you can maximize your money, set levels, whatnot. Menu scripts, you can also change the position of it. So if you want the mod menu more central, more to the right, you can, and X and Y, you can change it wherever you like. Opacity, so obviously the further down I go, the more see-through it is going to get. So yeah, select theme, obviously you can change it to stuff like that, which is pretty cool. It's not just the same all the time. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. I'm going to go back to the default though. Disable handling restore, disable weapons restore, enable lure debug console. So lure is like a type of script. I've not done this yet. It's coding, I'm not too good at that. If you want to try that though, go ahead. Save config, reload config. This is all related to the lure scripts. So this has been a showcase of the free Kiddions mod menu everyone can get, and it's completely free and safe to use. So if you want to download this, make sure you just search up on the internet, download Kiddions mod menu. It'll bring you to a page. You'll scroll down a little bit, you'll see a green button that says download, extract all files, load up GTA. Once you've done that, you just open the menu, and it's as simple as that. So if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe and comment down below for more videos like so.